So we hi there and welcome. This is the Learner in English Corner. So today we will learn some important prepositions. So let's dive in and let's take a look at this some important prepositions. So succession. Succession means उत्तराधिकार देने का कार्य. To succession to and state. Supplement noun परिशिष्ट पूरक to a book. Substitute for something else. Substitute for something else. Suggestion for some course of action. Subscription to feminine relief testify to a fact, think of or about something, think over or matter through at a person, translate into English, trespass on or upon a person or land, trade with or country, trade with a country, tired of doing something, thankful for one's mercy, thankful for one's mercy, useful useful for many purposes, venture upon an undertaking, wife with another person, wetting of a trick, right? And vain of one's duty, worth, wait at the station, wait for a person, warn of the danger, work at mathematics, weak in mathematics, want of money, wonder at something. Calculator, the calculator is on the table. He was angry with me. That man is found guilty of. The teacher is not satisfied with your study. He should take care of. Mukesh traveled by train. He jumped into the wall. You must be aware of. He quarreled with thieves. The thieves broke into his house. R.K. Thakur is senior too. Meena is satisfied with. His wife died of cancer. My mother was acquainted with. He prefers tea to coffee. Prefer to. I found of music. My wife has been suffering from. The teacher congratulated on. Gandhiji was born in. Aeroplane was flying over the clouds. The police inspector inquired into. His beloved prevented him from. The car is running at 70 kilometers an hour. He complained against his classmate. Complained against. Distribute these apples among the children. He aimed at. What is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch? My neighbor is jealous of me. His teacher ordered to write in ink. The dog sprung upon the table. It has been raining heavily since Sunday last. Please open your book at page 40. The examination begins on Wednesday. The Mughal ruled over India. Raman has no acquaintance with Charchika. Sunil offered her an apology for his misbehavior.